how to use Zipcard in store. So here's how it works. Once you have generated a Zip virtual card, then you will need to click on wallet here. And basically what we're going to do is add the Zipcard virtual card, or whether you have a debit card, it doesn't matter. We're going to add it to our wallet by clicking on the plus sign. Now here you will select debit or credit card, and then it's going to take you to this screen. You will need to select continue. Now if you have a debit card, you can scan it by placing it near your iPhone, or if you have a virtual card, then you will enter the card details manually. Here you will put your name, which is associated with your Zip card, Zip app card, and then also the card number, which you can get from within the Zip app. Once you provide this information, you will click on continue at the bottom, go through the prompts, and this is going to add the Zip card to Apple Pay. Once you have it added to Apple Pay, then you can tap to pay as you would normally with any virtual or debit card. I hope this video answers your question. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.